Hey everyone, welcome back to Python for Beginner series, and this is going to be our 18th exercise. And here's our question, that is, write a program that generates a random password for the user using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. So in this video, we are going to generate some random password. So let's see how we can solve this question. So I have created this file, that is password generator. So we want some random password, right? And for that matter, we will use import random module and import string. Okay, string is also a module. The random module will provide functions for generating random numbers and random selection, and the string module will provide string constants that include the letters of the alphabet, like lowercase and uppercase, and numbers and various punctuation characters as well. Okay, after that we'll use length equal to 10. Okay, this is going to be our, let's say, 14. Okay, let me write it here. Set the desired length of the password, and let me write it here, password as well, password length. Okay, password length will be 14. Now let's write password equal to a string. We'll use the join function, random dot choices. We want string dot, we want ASCII letters plus string. We also want digits, numbers we can say, plus string dot punctuation as well, and k equal to the password length. Print, we'll use the formatted string. Your new password is placeholder, that is password. Okay, and at this line what we are doing, we are using the random.choice function, which is used to randomly select characters from the string of all the possible characters, like as you guys can see here, string.ASCII letters plus string.digits plus string.punctuation, and returns a list of length characters. And this join method, okay, this join method is used to join the list of character to form a string. And after that we are using the formatted string to print our password. So let's save the file and run the code. And here is our password. The new password is, this is our new password. Let's run the program again. This is our new password. Okay, so this is how you can use Python to generate random password. So this is a very simple script, and I think it is helpful to understand the logic of password generator. Just give it a try if you are learning Python. I think it is a very great exercise for beginners. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, then please share this video with your friends and your colleagues. And make sure that you guys are subscribing to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye-bye.